Yo, what's going on, guys? It's a Naked Adult, and in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Elgato Wave 1. So if you guys didn't know, there's an Elgato Wave 1 and Wave 3, and I was looking at the Wave 3, and honestly, it was 50 bucks more expensive, and the specs didn't really look any more different. I'm pretty sure the sample audio rate was, on this one it was 48 hertz, and the other one was 96, but OBS can only go up to 48, I believe, so 96 wouldn't have been helpful. I don't even know what that means, to be honest, and probably most of you guys don't either. But yeah, so here's the mic, you guys. I'm super excited. I've had my blue snowball, I don't know if you guys can see it right here. I've had my blue snowball mic for I think 2 or 3 years, so it's been a while. It's been since the start of my YouTube career, and I'm super excited to get this mic, you guys. So without further ado, let's just open it up. If you guys want to pause it and just read this, feel free to, right there. But yeah, without further ado, let's just open it up and get right into the unboxing interview. So in the box should just be the mic and just the cable, but we'll see. Nothing else in the box. And let's open it up. I don't want everything to just fall out, so I'm gonna be a little bit safe about it. Not even the mic. That was so anticlimactic. We have a little box in there, probably just the cable. And then in here is the mic. So it comes with a stand, but I probably will be taking it off to mount it on this boom arm. Here's that mic. Right there. Nothing. Cool. So yeah. Mic, and then I assume cable. So we have the cable. It is a USB-C cable, as you guys can see right there. That's pretty nice, universal cable. And then in here, I'm pretty sure there's an adapter for the boom arm. I'm pretty sure I saw videos on that. Yeah, no, there's an adapter. I'll show you guys how to put this on later. Here, let me see if I can get it for you guys. Here. That's the adapter. So it's gonna go right on this monitor, or this boom arm, sorry. Nice packaging, has the Elgato logo on it right there. Don't have to cut anything, it's just open up top. And boom, wow, you guys. Look at the quality of this mic. It just looks so fancy and so nice. Look at this. Woo. Wow, you guys, look how cool that looks. That looks sick. This mic looks awesome. I'm so excited. So I'm pretty sure right here we just have a volume adjuster. And then at the back, USB-C, and then you can also plug a headphone in back there, and you can monitor your own talking. So yeah, cool. The build looks really nice, really minimalistic. I really like this. And then yeah, all right, let's just plug it in and test it out, guys. Okay, guys, so I have the mic right here. I'm not using the mic audio yet. I'll switch that in a little bit. But I have the Wavelink software open right now. I'll put a link to that download page in the top of the description, or I'll put it in the description somewhere. But I have that open, as you guys can see right here, so it's mine. And then I have OBS, that's gonna be recording the mic. So yeah, let's just switch over. It's not too far from my face, but it's a good amount. So I'm gonna be testing it on my desk right here, right away. And then I'm also gonna be mounting it and testing it from that distance as well. So this is what it sounds like, you guys. It's not too bad, honestly. It sounds really good. I tested it before I recorded the video. It sounds super nice. The quality is really nice. So yeah. Okay. Now I'm gonna mount it up, you guys, so we can do the sound test for that as well. Okay, so I'm pretty sure how you just take this off. Here, I'm just gonna put this right here. So I'm pretty sure you just screw it off right here. Yep. Just apply a tiny bit of pressure, and it'll just come off, and then you can just twist this. You guys can see it's slowly coming off, and boom, base is right off. Then what you guys are going to do, also by the way, this is like metal, this is like heavy stuff. Cool. Alright, then you're gonna get the adapter that came with it. I believe. Yep. Just twist that right there. Okay. Now, point it over there a little bit. Alright. You're gonna attach it to your boom arm. You're gonna attach it to your boom arm and then just turn. What is this? Is this clockwise? Turn clockwise. It's probably not clockwise, but it's okay. Okay, so as you guys can see right here, the mic is now mounted. Yeah, looks good. So this is just normally how I'd play, maybe a little bit farther back. We'll see. Just probably around there. So this is how it sounds, you guys. Sounds really nice. Sounds really good. And yeah, alright guys, this is also the Elgato Wavelink app. As you guys can see, right now it just has the Elgato Wave. It just has just the Wave. But you can also add a bunch of different audio inputs as you can see here. I personally don't actually know how any of these work yet. I'll definitely figure it out, but right now here's the software, here's all that. It looks really confusing to me, but I'll figure it out definitely. Alright guys, also just one thing that I forgot to mention. This little dial right here, it controls headphone volume and also is a toggle mute, so if you just click it, it turns red and that just indicates that it's muted. And click it again and it's just on. That's honestly a really good feature because like if you're gaming and you want to mute your microphone because you need to do something, that's actually really helpful and really nice. So that push to mute turns red, turns back to white whenever it's on. So that's honestly really nice and really helpful. Just wanted to let you guys know. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This mic is honestly, like, look at you guys. Look how nice and amazing it looks. I cannot wait to use this. I'll keep you guys updated on how the mic is. I'll just keep you guys updated. And yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. If you guys enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe, share with friends. And that's me, guys. Dope out. Peace.